This is John Voquette with the Newtown Bee. We are here with our next in a series of COVID-19 clips, these outreach messages from town officials. Today we're with First Selectman Dan Rosenthal and Health District Director Donna Culbert outside the Municipal Center at the proper social distance of exactly 6 feet. Dan Rosenthal, what do you have to tell people as we go into this weekend?
Thank you, John, and thank you again for dragging me outside for this. It is a beautiful day, and it's nice to see. It's nice to see people outside walking. I guess what I want to say is it's not lost on me that we're now 2 weeks into the school closure and the closure of a lot of our public facilities. So I know that the social distancing process is hard. I imagine it's I feel sort of fatigue in sort of members of the community. It's hard when you can't change the channel and all you're sort of hearing about is coronavirus. But I do believe that the social distancing is really our best hope at putting this behind us quickly. I think that people are really getting it, and people are doing the right things. And I know it's hard and I know it's dragged on. The town is here to support you. Our Human Services Department is trying to put information out on our website. We have a COVID page on the town website, so there's resource guides and all kinds of information. So certainly we want to help those in need. And we are aware that, again, it's been a while, it's going to be longer, and we're all doing the best we can.
Great. Donna, how's things looking from your perspective at the Health District?
Well, I've spoken to a lot of people in the community and am often reinforced at how great a community we have here. I think it's important that people remember, like Dan said, don't get tired of doing this. We have a ways to go, and the efforts that they make now are going to really make a difference long term as far as their own health and all the people around them. And I really want to reinforce now that we have illness in the community, that people work very hard to not only manage their own illness, but try to separate well from sick people in the home and really try to keep up that work to keep those folks separated. We don't want everyone in a household to become ill. I don't want people to get fatigued and think, oh, well, everyone's exposed, it's okay. It's not okay. People really need to work hard to take care of the member that's ill, but also maintain the health of the rest of the family.
Very good. Dan, final words as we go into the weekend?
Sure, John, thanks. I think that maybe we'll have an opportunity to get outside for a little while tomorrow. It looks like Sunday's a rain out, so unfortunately more self-quarantining at home probably for most. But I also want to acknowledge it's certainly Donna's efforts in the health department. But our first responders, we're getting together several times a week, police, fire, EMS, and I think everybody's motivated. Everybody's doing the best they can for the community, and I really appreciate all the hard work that our first responders and our medical community are putting into this effort. It's not easy, but everybody's certainly focused on the mission. So thank you, John.
Any reminders about gatherings at public places?
Yeah, if we do get the nice weather, it does seem like people are taking it seriously. A couple places notwithstanding, the skate park and people are still sort of congregating, and those parks are closed, by the way. But it does seem like most people are getting together in family groups, maybe one friend, and taking a walk. And I think that's completely appropriate as long as people are keeping this kind of distance.
Very good. Dan Rosenthal, First Selectman of Newtown, and Newtown Health District Director Donna Culbert here with the next in our cooperative series of COVID-19 clips, video outreach messages produced in cooperation with the Newtown Bee. Don't forget, the Newtown Bee is continuing to report 7 days a week, literally, occasionally, hourly. You can get all the updated information that in most parts mirrors anything coming out of the municipality at newtownbee.com, or you can follow us on Facebook and Twitter for all of your latest information. Thank you, folks, for meeting with us today.
Thank you, John.